Hi, I'm Wayne Morgan from LJ Hooker Property Partners, and today it's my absolute privilege to bring you 36 Balcha Street, Holland Park. As you can see, it's a real little gem. It's got some real character, beautiful gardens, great street appeal, and only 200 metres walk to Cavendish Road High School. It's an absolute cracker. Let's have a look. Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Auction's on Saturday, the 4th of December at 11:30 on site, or if you can't make it, online at Auction Now. Hope to see you there.